Hi, my name is Sophia. Welcome to my channel. Today we are making a $2 slip top. Materials will be satin fabric thread, scissors, rotary cutter, pin, magic clips, and some tape and a seam ripper. This is the henna dress pattern from Mood City. City. I altered the pattern to make it into a top, and these are the pieces. The instructions are stating that you need to set the pattern to position it on a 45-degree angle. Cut all the pattern pieces. Some of them are supposed to be on fold. Okay. Carefully cut the pieces. The fabric is very slippery, and yeah, it's very hard to cut and sew also. Okay, these are the pattern pieces. I iron them a little bit, press them to make them a little smoother. First step is to stay stitch all the pieces so that they don't distort their shape. Okay, so that's done, and now we're gonna connect the back facing piece to the back piece, and you're gonna use 3/8 of an inch seam allowance for all the bias cuts. The side seam is of 1/2 inch width. So I'm connecting the back facing to the back piece so I can sew it. Okay, and that's done. Okay, we're gonna connect we're gonna create the spaghetti straps. Also for the spaghetti straps we need 3/8 of an inch seam allowance, and I used the loop turner to turn them the right side. So clip and sew and turn, and if you wish you can iron them all. Okay, so these are the spaghetti straps, and I'm gonna attach them along with the front facing to the front piece of the top, and I'm gonna sew around. Okay, so that's done, and now we're gonna sew the side seams. Like I said, 1/2 inch seam allowance. It's done. I also used a stitch off the machine that resembles serging. Now 3 inches from the side seam, I'm gonna pin the straps, and I measured the extra that's hanging is going to be as long as the back facing, so 3 inches from the seam. Now the final step is to create the hem, and I use the roll hem. Also the facings were coming out a little bit, so I used some tape, ironed it, but unfortunately created puckers. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel. Bye.